News just coming in. Jammu and Kashmir administration have ordered rationing of fuel and LPG. They've cited shortage of stocks due to persistent closure of the highway. 537 trucks in transit. Replenishment to start tonight is what we've been told. Centre and state are in close coordination for this replenishment. Gaurav Sawant now joins me live. Gaurav, just take us through the reactions on the ground, because as it is, there is an uneasy calm in the valley. Plus, with the shortage and the rationing of these supplies, are people really worried? Though we do know that the centre and the administration are in close touch with each other to ensure that the replenishments reach in time.
Vedika, at this point of time, there is an air of uncertainty in the valley. There is apprehension, regarding Article 35A. There is also apprehension that, with additional forces being moved on ground, with some troops of the BSF replacing troops of the CRPF, there will be some massive changes that are taking place. So yes, there's uncertainty, and that's why there's curfew. In some areas, there's a hartal that's been called, Section 144 in some places. Coupled with that are, some very routine circulars that were issued. But in this uncertain air, when a hospital administration says replenish medical stocks for the next couple of months, you should have adequate supplies in the next 48 hours and so on. But that was given because supplies have come from Jammu, but those supplies are yet to be distributed. That's point one. Point two, yes, LPG cylinders precariously low. Now Kashmir is down to 14,000 LPG cylinders in all of Kashmir. There are a couple of lakh of LPG cylinders that are in transit, but they are stuck at this point of time. One, because loaded LPG cylinders cannot cross a tunnel. It's not allowed. NHAI rules prevent it. That's why petrol and K-oil and diesel, they're being rationed 3 liters and 10 liters so that everyone has some and nobody's without anything. At the same time, I've spoken to top officials of the administration who insist that replenishments will start tonight and will continue over the next 3 days. So over the next 3 days, you have about 538 trucks that are coming in, which will bring in supplies for the next 15 days. And then if the road opens, then more and more, replenishments can easily come in. But this air of uncertainty is something that's hanging very heavy in the valley.
Gaurav, thanks for joining me live from Srinagar.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.